ng biglaan, para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong iling sa mga tala, napintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Malapit na ang araw, nang ika'y muling nakausap, hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip, nakita kang papalapit.
How did you come up with the idea? We came up with the idea of getting the monthly allowances of a regular students and student athletes here in National University. How did you plan your task? First, we decided on what to do and what we need. Pagkatapos ito, binigyan kami ng aming leader na aming mga gagawin para mapabilis yung paggawa ng aming project. Also, nag-decide kami na gumawa ng survey form para mas mapadali lalo yung pagkuha namin ng data. Did you get any help or support other than yourself or groupmates? Yes. Nakakuha kami support or help sa student athletes and sa regular students na matulungan kami na masagutan yung aming hinahanap na study, which is na makuha namin yung monthly allowances ng regular student and student athletes, kung meron nga bang pagkakaiba.
The following are the problem we face when creating the final output. First, it is tough for us to find a participant who are suitable, especially athletes, because they are too busy with their lives to respond to our survey. We also don't brainstorm and communicate well with the other members. Lastly, when it comes to time management, we are having a trouble keeping to our schedule because we have a lot of papers that need to be completed and many of us is unavailable to conduct true brainstorming session.
Contribution to the group in our final output for mathematics in the module. Since I am the leader of the group, I am required to lead my group. With that, I take the initiative to cascade all the things that we need to apply in our final output. I distributed the task fairly to my group mates. I also look for our respondents in order to reach our target data set. I also help the assistant leader for the computation of the data and methodized the spreadsheet.
In our final performance task, one of my key contributions was handling the computation of the data, and I took on the responsibility of editing the video.
I am Miyaka Arce. My contribution in our final output involved in managing the online distribution of our survey and making sure it received plenty of responses. I thoughtfully distributed and contact our target audience via Messenger to encourage their participation in our survey.
My contribution to our final output is I am the one who assigned to do the Google Form survey and who transferred the response of the survey in a Google Sheet.
My contribution for this final PETA is to answer the guideline question A. Binigay sa akin to na aming leader na si Marlon. Nagawa ko naman to and nagampanan ko naman yung binigay sa akin na aming leader.